Welcome to the chemistry world, and the first chapter in chemistry is matter around us. Matter around us. So what is matter? See, the materials which are in and around us, they are all comes under matter only. My body is matter. The board which we are finding here, that comes under matter, and here this matchbox comes under matter, and all these articles comes under matter. All these articles which are there, and the door also matter. This bed lamp also comes under matter. So, matter is nothing but anything that occupies space. And it should have the mass even, and has mass, comes under matter. If you take this pen, it is occupying some space here, and it is having its own mass. My body also comes under matter only, I told you. So it occupies some space. Matter can exist in three different forms. Number one, it is solid form. Number two is liquid. Number three is gaseous state. Matter can exist in three different states. Any matter, it can exist in either it can be in the solid state or liquid state or gaseous state. In addition to this, another state is called plasma. One by one, let us see. Duster, it is in the solid state. But here we are able to see in this liquid is present. This is the example for liquid. In the measuring cylinder, some water is present. This also comes under liquid. When I light agarbatti, when it start catching the fire, let us see that the smoke which is liberating from here, this is in the gaseous state. So the aroma reaches to our nostrils. So we know that whatever the materials around us, they may be existing in the solid state or in the liquid state or in the gaseous state. And the fourth state, which is existing in the sun, Here hydrogen atoms, they combine with each other and they form two isotopes of hydrogen combined to form helium nucleus. So this smaller nuclei combine to form the larger nucleus. It is said to be as nuclear fusion. It is taken place in the sun. Huge amounts of heat energy and light energy gets liberated. So that state we are calling it as plasma state, which is present inside the sun. Now, with what the solid is made means, let us take solids. Inside the solids, the molecules are very closely packed like this. The molecules are very closely packed. In the case of liquids, the molecules are somewhat loosely packed. But in the case of gases, the molecules are very loosely packed. Whenever the molecules are very closely packed, intermolecular forces will be maximum. Here. Intermolecular forces are minimum here. Very less in the gases. Attraction between one molecule to the other molecule is very minimum here, maximum here. Medium we are able to find in the liquids. Solid, some examples. The blackboard comes under solid. Your book comes under solid. Pen also comes under solid state. Liquids means water, which is the universal solvent. Water, milk, oil, honey, these are all examples for liquids. Gases means, we know that hydrogen gas is one example, and oxygen gas, which is responsible for our respiration and for combustion also. Next, chlorine, nitrogen, these are all the examples for gases. Here you see that when we light the agarbatti, slowly the fumes, they are just moving in the upward direction like this. These molecules, they are examples for gaseous state. Any solid if you take, it is having its definite shape. This is made up of steel and it is having its definite cylindrical shape. If you take this, also cylindrical in shape. This circular in shape. This also, it is having its own shape. But liquids if you take 100 ml of water in this measuring jar, if you pour the same liquid into this glass, see here volume is same but it is having the different shape. Same water only, when it is poured into the glass, it is having different shape. Same water, if I pour into the other shaped container, it takes the shape of this container. If I pour this into the another shaped container, it is taking the shape of this container. So, in the case of liquids, volume will be same, but it occupies the shape of the container. It takes the shape of the container where it is placed. But this is the solid, which is having the fixed shape. The molecules are very tightly packed, that is what it is having its own fixed rigid shape we are able to find in the case of solids. This is glass tube if you take, we are able to see that.